Well, everyone, the iPhone 12 is one of those devices that is pretty much still a very good iPhone. It's still very powerful, and I truly do like this iPhone a lot. So much so, in fact, that I have another message for all of you iPhone 12 owners. Now, like I stated before, if you own an iPhone 12 or an iPhone 12 Pro, there is a service repair program that Apple is probably sooner than later going to start kind of, removing for some of their devices. As of right now, I think all these iPhones are, still under their warranty, but please keep in mind that this warranty is not going to be here forever, and this is where I would go and start telling you that if you own an iPhone 12, I would consider to probably get your iPhone repaired sooner than later. So what this specific program is essentially their iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro service repair program for no sound issues. Now, what this was essentially from October 2020, which was the first time these iPhones ever came out, and April 2021, there was basically a batch of these iPhone 12s, an iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, that sometimes if you were making calls or if you're trying to emit sound from the receiver, essentially those things would not work out properly and there would basically be no sound going on from there. Now, the 12 mini and the 12 Pro Max are not, within the specific warranty, but essentially this specific warranty or this specific, trade-in or this specific, service repair program is not available after 3 years after the first retail sale of the unit. So if this iPhone was sold October 2020, you have until basically October 2023 to actually take advantage of this. So we are now coming into 2023, and if you happen to have an iPhone that is actually experiencing any of these types of issues, well, it would only make sense to go ahead and actually get your iPhone repaired and fixed from the specific supplier from Apple. So basically what this looks like is you go ahead, get your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro, you then go ahead and basically, contact Apple. You can find a service repair provider from Apple. You can go and make a appointment within their Apple retail store, and from there what you'll basically have the ability of doing is going through and actually getting your iPhone repaired by Apple. Now, it's a free program, so you won't really experience any types of issues in that standpoint, which I think that is a really big deal. But you also have to keep in mind that with something like an iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, these iPhones are only getting older. So you don't want to be in a situation where these iPhones are, supported today and they're not supported tomorrow. So what I would recommend doing, for the most part, is by going through, make sure your iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro maybe are experiencing these issues. But even if not, you can make some sort of, appointment within Apple, get your iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro fixed, and then you can pretty much go on down there. So that pretty much covers that. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.